front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Many of you in the comments ask me about how I'm checking specifications of devices I'm testing, so I will show you one of few ways I'm using, which is going into Play Store and downloading this app, not sponsored by the way, from Flare to Developer called DevCheck device and system info. So get it, and when you're ready, launch it. Now thanks to this app you can learn all kinds of informations about your dashboard. Quick tip, make sure to tap on all of those type of sections like display, because you will not only get more informations, but also you'll be able to hit settings at the bottom right corner and get access to chosen section in your device's settings. Then swipe to learn more about your hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!